Just absorbing the sights and the sounds of Greenbank Gardens, a National Trust property on the south side of Glasgow. If you're nearby and you've never been, it's well worth a visit. Lovely place, lots of grass, lots of plants, loads of variety. Gorgeous house that you don't get to visit as far as I know. But this is springtime, the birds are singing, everybody's trying to claim their property, claim their mate. This is what you get, people lying around, people using benches. The lady over there with a magpie very close. You don't usually have magpies so close. Well, a little wander through. I'll try to avoid doing too much talking over it. I did a live stream from here just a few minutes ago. You can see what kind of a day it is. Fantastic spring day. You can feel the warmth in the sun now. And this is Terry. I'm Terry, if you haven't come across this channel before. If you're new to it, please do subscribe and click a like and leave a comment. I'll show you a few of the plants as we go along. Well, this looks good. Well, thanks very much for joining me on my walk through Greenbank Gardens. I hope you enjoyed looking at the plants. I did a live stream while I was there, so please try and find the live stream. I also did some sketching, and I intend making a little video showing my sketch of the house. So thanks again for watching.